Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to review the stocks that we were having last week, and we are going to exit some of them, and we are going to add 8 new stocks for the coming period. Okay. So last week, if you recall, we had 5 stocks at open position, and we had said if we hit the stop loss that was mentioned in the comment, then we exit at this stop loss. So what happened this week is that we hit the stop loss for 3 out of the 5 stocks that we had open. And I added here a column for the stop loss. The first stock that we exit last week was Well with 6.9 profit, very decent profit, in about like 5 weeks. And the next one was 4.2. We exit at 113. Again, it was 5 weeks. The last stock that we exited last week was CACI, and this was almost flat. Okay, so the average percentage went down a little bit because of this stock, the last one, CACI, from 6.6% last week to 6%. Okay, now for the remaining two, they are still not hitting our stop loss. So actually I raised the stop loss on Platter just to protect the profit. And I kept the stop loss the same on REGN. It's almost again 1% gain in this position. We might liquidate this position next week because one of my rules is that if I have a stock that's staying flat for a long time I mean more than 3 weeks now, next week is gonna be like 6 weeks since we selected this stock, and it's around 1.2%, so most probably we'll exit that even if it didn't hit the stop loss. So we're gonna give it one more week just as a trial, and then if not, then we'll exit this stock. Okay, so it's not necessarily that you exit stock if it only hit your stop loss or stop profit, but you exit as well if you didn't make anything in that stock for the last 4 weeks or 6 weeks. Okay, now we go to the stocks that I added. So last time we said that we have 5 stocks, and I was recommending last week not to go to these stocks unless if the market are up after the Fed meeting. Okay, so the market was up after the Fed meeting, but not on the same day on Wednesday, it was on Thursday 19. So I took the closing prices of 19th of September as the starting point, and I put the stop loss here accordingly. And I added as well 3 more stocks on 20th of September, Friday, and I put the prices of the closing price of Friday so that when the market open on Monday, more or less it's gonna be around the same price. You can grab these stocks at the closing or around the closing price of Friday. So in total, 8 new stocks, and the stop loss is either on a strong support or maximum of 5%. And if we hit this stop loss at any point of time, we exit, even if we are at losses. Hopefully not. Then we will see next week how are these stock performs. As I mentioned in the video this morning, we are in a good environment. We have a good probabilities on our side. I like that we always have probabilities on our side. So we said that we have like 100% chance that in the coming 3, 6, 12 months we are going to have a positive year. So it is the time to go into the stock market now, and these are the stocks that I think they will do well. We are choosing a strategy here called all-time high. Why we are selecting this strategy? Because the market is doing all-time high. S&P is at all-time high, and consequently there are stocks that are pulling the market up, and all these stocks are at all-time high. So this is why we are selecting them. Some people will say like, but this is like they are already high. Yes, there are two strategies in the market. Either you buy high and you sell higher, or you buy low and you sell high. So this strategy is the first one. You buy high and you sell higher. The theory behind this is that when a stock reach all-time high, then it means it has good momentum, and this momentum should continue. Continue to what level? We don't know. Sometimes it will continue for a week, sometimes it will continue for a month, sometimes it will continue for 6 months, with of course ups and downs, ups and downs. If these ups and downs are in a good variation level, small variation level, then you are going to be in the stock. But if it is high variation, then it's gonna kick you out because the stop loss is going to be activated at that time. But the whole theory is about that when a stock is reaching all-time high or 52 weeks high, then it's normally having a good momentum upward. And that's why we are selecting this strategy now, because the market is at all-time high and is going upward. Okay, thank you and have a profitable trade. If you have any question, please put it in the comment, and thank you very much.